Guys, welcome back to Maddi, and today in this video I am going on the boat with my uncle Grant and my mom, and I don't know if it's my uncle's boyfriend's coming or not, and I think my brother might come if he wakes up. Like, they woke me up and told me and stuff, and I'm like, oh my god. So yeah, I want to come, but like, this is the earliest I've woken up all summer, like this, and the other day we went to the boat. Now I'm super excited. I'm gonna be vlogging the whole thing. Y'all, I'm not gonna bring my good vlog camera. I'll bring my old one, just in case, like my phone or something like that, so I can hold it above water, because sometimes the waves get big. And yeah, and then what else? So we have my vlog camera, my other stuff. I'll vlog when we're in the car too. I just want to do that often. But I'm gonna be vlogging on the boat and in the water and show you our setup and stuff like that too. So this is the fit. Hold on, let me show you to the mirror. This is the fit we have. This is the I wear like a bikini top and stuff like that. Just I'm not wearing one today because if we're out like turn 10 to like 3 out and stuff like that, so we're usually out like all day. So I know even if you keep applying sunblock stuff like that, you can still like get sensitive skin or like stuff like that. So I just do this, and plus it's less easier for me to get burnt somewhere, and if it is, just like my legs, you know, mostly underwater. But I wear the shorts in there too, but if I have to, I have a pair of black swim bottoms I can pair with it. And I have my white sunglasses I'll be showing you guys in a second. CVS, getting drinks, the boat, yeah. There's no Diet Mountain Dew, really. I found Diet Mountain Dew, see? Found one. Got the goods.
I was like, yo, Trey, do you think you could buy me a bottle of rose? Okay, let's get it down. I'm with a bad bitch, she's his friends. I don't say hot, I say keys to the Benz. Keys to the Benz, keys to the Benz. My I got keys to the 10. If a bitch try to get cute, I'm a stop. Double out of money, got a then y'all fuck off. Fuck off, fuck off, then y'all fuck off. Then I'ma go and get my Louis Vuitton fuck off. I'm sorry, I really such a lady. I rock your money, you know, slim. Baby, and we be doing donuts while we waving up 380. We give a lot of money to the babies out in Haiti, girling all around the world. Do you hear me? Do you like my body? And I'm Nikki. Rest in peace to Anna Nicole.
Could get loaded fries. We'll get loaded fries, no chives. I'll get you guys those. You want some shrimp?
I'm not shrimp.
No shrimp.
Can we get fries, like, as appetizer?
Yeah.
I can eat chicken tenders.
Should be enough to share, no? I don't wash my face because it's covered in sand. That's pretty cool.
I washed my face, it was covered in sand, yeah.
Give me your chicken plate. Yeah. can still use it though. Oh yeah, I got it. We're gonna make a new source. We're gonna make a shish kebab. Make a shish kebab. Are you putting the ketchup inside? Maddie's putting the ketchup inside the fries. Wait, you put them on like that and make it like a shish kebab. And then put some bread on top of it. Put the bread on top of it. The bread? We need a box. We made a sandwich.
Alright, are we all together on the check or do I need to separate it?
All together, fine.
All together. Thank you.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting